Expedia travel hacks you need to know. Instead of paying $4,000 for a 5-star experience, I paid $0. Like $0. I basically bankrolled my entire honeymoon in Mexico on points, coupons, and glitter. But it actually wasn't magic, it was math. And here's how you can do the same. Hi, I'm Vanessa. I'm from Wander Onwards, a platform dedicated to financial and location independence. Today I'm here to talk about travel hacking on Expedia. This is basically the Olympics for travel bloggers. In 2019, I was able to book 4 nights at a 5-star all-inclusive resort in Cancun for my honeymoon for $0. The estimated price was $4,000. And here's how I did it. For 1 full year, I worked every angle possible, and I blended together the ultimate recipe to maximize my points and value. In this video, I'll be covering my best tips and tricks for one of my favorite websites, Expedia. According to a travel blogger, it's literally my job to know this. Travel doesn't have to be expensive, you just have to be smart. In this video, we're talking all about the best ways to earn points on Expedia. Let's get started. As an avid traveler, I'm always on the hunt for a good deal. I want to go further, for longer, and for less. The easiest way to do that is to maximize the amount of points that I earn with a specific provider or to get a travel rewards credit card. However, not all purchases are treated equally. Each program will provide specific incentives to book on specific platforms or specific properties and airlines. This is where you can grab some serious points quickly. For example, in Expedia's rewards program, you'll earn 2 points for every $1 that you spend on hotels, vacation packages, cars, and activities. For flights booked on Expedia, you'll get 1 point for every $5 that you spend on airfare. You can receive double the points if you book on Expedia's app. So let's put a few numbers behind it so you can see the power of playing the game. If you spend $500 on a hotel, $500 on a car, $1,000 on airfare on Expedia, then you'll earn 2,200 points. If you book on the app, it's 4,400 points. You see what I did there? It's all about playing the game. According to Expedia's rewards page, 140 Expedia points is basically equivalent to $1 US. To give you a better idea of what your points are worth, here's an example. 5,000 points are worth $35 US. 30,000 points are worth $214. And 80,000 points are worth a whopping $571. I book nearly all of my travel, both pleasure and business, on just a few travel providers. This way, I can compound points quickly and build my treasure chest. If you book all over the market, you'll never accumulate enough points to do anything. I then pay careful attention to any promotional deals that might be going on so I can snag double, triple, or even quadruple points. So this is essentially how I was able to get my resort from $4,000 to $0. Prior to 2021, I would take my travel hacking to the next level by staying at Expedia VIP hotels exclusively. VIP hotels are great properties that have exclusive service and offerings specifically for Expedia customers. And your points used to be worth double there. So my 30,000 points turned into 60,000 points, a cash equivalent of $428. Then the hotel had a special 10% off deal. Then I had a coupon. Then I applied a cash gift I got at work. And then finally, we were able to upgrade to suite status because of my rewards. You're welcome, husband. Thanks so much for watching. This has been Vanessa from Wander Onwards for savings.com.